How to use circle to search on Google Pixel 9a. If you have any Pixel device and you can quickly find the related product or related images, or you can also use a Google search or a circle to search as the Google Translate, or also find the music using this circle to search feature on the latest Android 15 or Android 16 version. So if you have a Pixel 9a or any other older Pixel device, you can use the circle to search. Just long press open the photo or image you want to find the related product, related image. So here we select this photo on my Pixel 9a or any other Pixel device. Long press the home button. Now when launch the Google Gemini, just circle you find to related product on your device. Make sure internet is working. Now it will automatically find the related product. Here you can see the description of, and you can see the list of product from Amazon, Flipkart and any other application. Here you can quickly find, just tap on it. So circle to search is very helpful feature. You can also see the translate option, tap on translate. Here you can see automatically translate the box as a Hindi. Here you can select the language, like we select Albanian, and you can see change the language also on your device. So it's quite helpful feature, circle to search. Just long press the home screen and you can see circle to search feature. You can use Google Translate, also music on your latest Pixel 9a or any other older Pixel devices. That's it. Like it, share it.